What's up, everybody? Welcome back to R3 TV, and you already know that today is a new day. So before you guys even think anything, say anything, I know it's been a while. It's been a while, but I'm back. I'm back here. Many changes, so many to go through. The main one, the car, the Accord. Long story short, the block should be out of the machine shop today, which is January 16th. So I didn't even want to talk about that right now. I'll make a whole nother video on that. But today I'm working on, I still have the Audi. And if you notice, I'm in a new garage space. This is my new little single car garage that I have for now. I finally have a little space to work on my car. So right now the battery's dead. Haven't drove it in forever. It needs to be cleaned up, which is what I'm going to do today. I got my Acura still running. This is my daily driver. I need to use this to jump this off so I can go to the car wash and get this cleaned up. So let's get into it. So going to look for my jumper cables. I got these out of my other car, coming to jump the battery. I was like, why can't I find my self jump box? I looked down in the engine bay, and this has at least been there for 2 weeks. I've literally been driving with jumper cables on the exhaust manifold for 2 weeks. Yeah, it just tells you how things have been going with cars in life and everything. Out. Alright, got my boy all cleaned up. As you see, the car is still running because I just jumped it off, and if I shut it off, I am going to have to jump it again. I have a little hill right here, but I didn't want to push it down the hill, so I just figured I'd let it run in charge. Just got to dry him off. Let's see how he looks when he's all cleaned up. I want to see if I can get an exhaust 2-step clip for you guys. go ahead and give you guys an update on the Accord since I'm driving to work. Well, last year I finally took the car to back to my tuner, which is also my builder. had him take everything apart and figure out why I was dealing with years of smoking. So long story short, he took it apart, took it to the machine shop. Come to find out, the bore was bigger than the pistons. The pistons were 87.5. The bore was supposed to be 87.5 millimeters as well. But once it was at the machine shop, it was determined that the bore was actually closer to 88 millimeters, which is why no matter what I did, no matter what I changed, I was getting all that blow by, all that smoke. So the piston, the cylinder wall, damaged the rods a little bit. The bearings were a little messed up just because the piston had piston slap inside the cylinder wall. So went ahead and bored it completely out to 88 millimeters. Bought brand new CP pistons, 88 millimeters. Decked the head, block, rebuilt the whole entire motor from the engine from top to bottom, all new rods, pistons, valves, stems, like everything I can do. Went ahead and completely got it done. Set me back pretty good, but I should have a completely running good engine. So all that has been done now. The issue and why I haven't uploaded and why it's taking so long is because the pistons, because of COVID and all the crazy stuff, the pistons that I ordered were on back order for like 6 months. So I had no pistons that I could find for like 6 months for this build. They finally came in a few weeks ago, and it's been at the machine shop. So I'm being told that hopefully it will be, yes, like I said yesterday, it should have been picked up from the machine shop and ready to be assembled. So I'm hoping in the next few weeks that the motor will be together. Since it was there, I went ahead and got a few more upgrades that I'll show you guys. I did Burt Racing coil unplug. I'm going E85. I got a new 525 full fuel pump, 2200cc injectors. So I basically went all out. Like the car should be able to make 600 easy. I mean, I won't drive around on that, but I have all the supporting mods to go all out, 600-700 horsepower if I wanted to. But of course, I'm not going to do that. So I'm hoping that in the next few weeks that I'll have something to This car has been going on forever, and I've been fighting this car for way too long. It's more become of just like a hobby and something to do, like fun to work on, and not like actually getting done. But like I'm past the point, of just messing with the car. Like I actually want to enjoy the car now. So this car needs to get done, and I found out why I was not getting anywhere because the previous person that had the motor, the engine, previous machine shop did not do the specs correctly. So hopefully we will get some good news here in the next few days. I just needed to make a video because I haven't uploaded in forever, and YouTube is funny when you don't upload for a while. So just want to keep you guys up to date. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'll have some videos up pretty soon on some updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.